Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, the home app of GoodLock has received the biggest update and lot of new features has been added and lot of new changes has been made. Okay, so in this video I will tell you all the new feature which has been added and all the new changes which has been made, and I will tell you how you can get this also. Let me tell you, I haven't got the update. My friend Tarun got the update and I asked a video from him and he shared me. Okay, so I will tell you what new has been added. This is the video he shared me. Okay, after updating, if we open HomeUp app for the first time, you will see a completely new home screen of HomeUp app. Okay, previously the HomeUp screen was like this. Let me show you. So this is the HomeUp app home screen previously. Okay, and this is the new home screen. So you can see the home screen, backup and restore, taskbar and gesture setting. This is the boxy design and all the settings over here is on the list. Okay, but over here it's kind of boxy. Okay, they have added a new feature in gesture settings. If I click on gesture settings, you will see a new feature called home gesture animation tuning. Now you can change home gesture animation. Okay, and if you click on home gesture animation, you will see a new animation which has been added, which called classic, enhance, dynamic, sweet and simple twinning. So it's not enhance, it's elegance. Okay, if we select elegance, you can see the animations. If we go back to home screen, you can see the animations. Okay, it's going. If we select sweet, the animations is much slower. You can see it's much slower. Okay, you can see if we select classic, you can see the animation. If we go back to home screen, the animation is much faster, just like the current animations. Okay, so these are the new animations which has been added. And guys, there is one more new feature which has been added called DIY home screen, which lets you to add stickers on your home screen as widgets. So this is kind of new feature. Alright guys, so this is the new HomeUp app update and all the new feature which has been added. I have already told you, new design, there is new animations for your home screen. So this update is currently only for One UI 7 user. So if you have Samsung S24 series running One UI 7, then you can download this and use it. I will give you the link in the description. Currently this doesn't support One UI 6.1. okay, I downloaded the APK and I tried to install, but it was not installed. So this doesn't support One UI 6.1. this only supports One UI 7. So thank you very much for watching guys. If you have any questions, just comment below, and if you have Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye.